Hey there, welcome to our quick Zoom Workplace Pro tutorial. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to supercharge your meetings. Let's dive in. First, sign into your Zoom Workplace Pro account. Pro gives you unlimited meetings up to 30 hours, AI companion, and more. Click New Meeting to start one now. Before joining, test your audio and video. Pro lets you pick AI-generated backgrounds. Pretty cool, right? Hit Join with Video to begin. During your meeting, Zoom's AI companion is your sidekick. Click Summary to get real-time notes or ask it questions about what you missed. Need to brainstorm? Use Zoom Docs to create wikis or share ideas live. Pro also includes Zoom clips for short video messages. Record, edit, and share. Perfect for updates. And with 5 GB of cloud storage, save all your meetings securely. To record, click Record and choose Cloud Storage. After, find it in My Recordings for easy sharing. Plus, assign co-hosts to manage big meetings smoothly. That's it, guys. Zoom Workplace Pro makes meetings smarter with AI, docs, and clips. Upgrade today at zoom.us to unlock it all. Thanks for watching.